The exact dietary habits of early humans are a topic of debate among researchers and scientists. It is difficult to determine with certainty whether early humans were predominantly vegan or carnivorous, as the information available is limited and open to interpretation. The majority of anthropologists and paleoanthropologists agree that early humans were opportunistic omnivores. This means that they consumed a variety of foods, including both plant and animal matter, depending on what was available in their environment. Early humans likely had a diverse diet that consisted of fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, insects, and occasionally small animals. As human civilization progressed and evolved, dietary habits varied depending on geographic location, climate, and cultural factors. With the development of tools and hunting techniques, humans were able to obtain larger amounts of animal protein, which would have been beneficial in environments where plant resources were scarce or seasonal. It's important to note that there is no consensus on a specific point in time when humans transitioned from a predominantly plant-based diet to a more carnivorous one. The transition likely occurred gradually over thousands of years, as early humans adapted to different environments and developed new technologies and cultural practices. Overall, the evidence suggests that early humans were opportunistic omnivores, consuming a wide range of foods based on what was available to them. The shift towards a more carnivorous diet likely occurred gradually and varied among different human populations throughout history.